All right. Hello, everyone. Hello, traders, and welcome to today's Simple Forex Setup Show, where I will be going through 10 currency pairs and looking at trade setups on the 4-hourly time frame. Welcome, everyone. While I share my screen, if you have any questions, please pop them in the chat box. Hi, me. Welcome. All right. Hi, Winnie. Hi, everyone that's just joined. Welcome. The first currency pair I'll be looking at is GBP USD. And GBP USD at the moment, I am a little undecided where this might be heading. So on the daily time frame, we're still in the downtrend, but we already have one daily close above that, what was the support line. So on the 4-hourly, I am looking to see what happens in this area. If the price stays above, then it might then continue in that trend and start a new trend going forward. If the price around here starts to dip and comes back below that previous support, then I will be looking at short. So at the moment, I need to see more price action in this area to see which way I would trade this. The next currency pair is Euro USD. And with Euro USD, I'm looking for short, but I'm looking for the price to possibly get even further up first before it turns around. But let's see what happens with that. So on the daily, we are in the downtrend underneath the previous support. So I'm looking at retest at that level, and then I would go short. It may or may not get there, and if it gets there, then that would be a very good setup. Next currency pair, I'm looking at AUD USD, and AUD USD I'm now looking at long. We are now back up above that previous level of support. So I'm looking for any pullback on the 4-hourly time frame. And if there is a pullback, then I would be looking to enter a long trade. Next currency pair is GBP JPY. And GBP JPY, I'm again looking at long on this one. So on the daily, we had that price action coming down, a bit of sideways movement there. And now it's decided it's going to be going back up. So now looking at any long opportunities to, the previous level of resistance. So let's see if we get any pullbacks along here and then looking for long. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro JPY. Euro JPY, I'm looking for long. So we now have the price going up. We've had a number of days of that. So looking for the price to potentially go further to that previous level of resistance. So here we have on the 4-hourly, just looking for a pullback and looking for long opportunities. Now, do we have some questions? Let me just have a look. It told me there is someone raising their hand. If you raised your hand, just type your question into the chat. Not sure how this hand raising works. So yeah, I think you should be able to type your questions into the chat if you want to ask me something, that'd be great. Next currency pair I'll be looking at is USD JPY. And USD JPY, I'm looking for long. On the daily, we are still in an uptrend there. We have a pin bar of the bottom EMA, which is something that I like to see. It's a good sign. So I'm looking for any reversal now. This is probably the closest setup for actual trading today. So looking for any reversal, maybe some sideways action to the trend line, and then a reversal. So it could be today, tomorrow, I don't know, but any reversal around here for a long opportunity would interest me. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD CAD, and USD CAD I'm looking at short. So we're at the top. We've had those 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to break through that level of resistance and came off, and we are in that downtrend now, possibly hitting a little bit of that support level there. So I would be looking on the 4-hour time frame, some pullback first. So pull back before taking a long opportunity. Sorry, I'm looking at a pullback to the trend line and then looking for a short opportunity. So what I'm looking for is the price to come up by the time that trend line might be somewhere here, and then looking for short opportunities after that. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD. Now this one is very interesting. So we've had on the daily, we had the price action in between the resistance and support at those two main levels for quite some time. We have now been going sideways. There's so much indecision about where this price is going to go. What are the options? So either the price is going to turn and go back up to the top of that channel, or the other option is that it's going to break below and then continue on a downward trend. So we need to have a look and see where that price is going to break. We have this sort of the largest bar that covers majority of that range. So any break pretty much around that area would then outline which way that price action would be heading. So on the 4-hourly, what are we looking here? So on the 4-hourly, we just sort of, dribbling along that level of previous support. So we're looking for either the break below and then watching. If it breaks below, is it going to come back and be a false break? Or is it going to go further down and come back to retest? So if it breaks below, is it going to come back and go underneath and come back and retest that support? Then looking for short. Or is it going to just go back up and retest that level? Then we would be looking for long opportunities. Okay. If it goes below and then goes straight up, then it might be a false break, and then we could be looking for long opportunities as well. So there's a couple of options at where we are at the moment. So we need to see more price action. I'll be looking at that. More price action to see where this is going to take the chart. Next currency pair is Euro GBP. And Euro GBP, I'm now looking for long. So we've had that price come off the level of resistance, and it has turned around at those previous levels of high. So there and there. So we've got now the turnaround, and it looks like it would be going long. So let's have a look on the 4-hourly. In saying that, it is still in a downtrend here. So that downtrend there, so it could still turn around. So we need to be a little bit cautious of where this is going to go. So on the 4-hourly, pardon me, if I see a pullback, then I would look to see if there is a reversal to go long. If there is no pullback and keeps going up, then I might be looking for short opportunities later on. But at the moment, looking for long opportunities. The last currency pair I'm looking at is GBP CAD. In GBP CAD, I'm looking for short. So on the daily, we've been having that very slow, steady price action going short. A little bit of price action consolidation just going sideways in the last couple of days. So if there is any pullback to the top near the trend line, then I would be looking for reversals. There is a reversal, I would be looking for short opportunities then. All right, are there any questions? Let me check. No. Okay, cool. So if there are no questions, hi Alvin, there's a few more people that joined us. Hi Naresh. Hi everyone. Thank you for watching today. I hope that was helpful. Hope you can get into some profitable trades this week. Have a lovely week. I'll be back again live with Simple Forex Setups next Wednesday, 12 p.m., 12 noon, Singapore time. I hope to see you then. Bye for now.